Hello guys, welcome back once again. Now we are going to continue with our series, and this is part 15. In our last video we learned about how to configure the canteen and also extra classes and transports. Now we are going to look at how it works. We are going to confirm that. So we are going to add the attendance officer and see how the canteen, the records will be taken after the student's attendance has been marked. So let's go to administrator. We are going to add attendance officer. So over here, go straight down here and locate user management. Now bear in mind that in one of my videos, I made mention that teachers can add students. Okay, teachers can add students and they will be on the pending list. So that is, you see those students that will be added by teachers here. They will be on the pending list. So you, school administrator, have to approve them before they will be part of the student, or they will join the student list. Okay, so now we are going to add attendance officer. So with this system, you can give a role to someone as an attendance officer who will be standing in front, that is at the entrance, to take attendance of the student, and that can be done by just recording by scanning the student ID. Simple as that, and it will mark the attendance on the system. If you want the canteen transport and the extra classes system to function well, then you need to use the online attendance system as well, because they work together. Okay, so I will come back here and go to, you see we have add new user. So over here I can select the user role as attendance officer. I will paste I will add my email here, and I will add the username as attendance, as attendance. So let me select that as attendance, and then I can add the name as attendance officer. Let's say this is the number. I don't know. Let me remove that. Then I will add a password. So I have added the attendance officer password. You can add a phone number, but make sure you always add the +233, okay? Because it will help the officer to reset the password in case he or she is finding difficult to log in. So I've added this, a username and the password. I've added that, so I can just come back here and click create. Okay, so now it's successful. We have added the attendance officer, and you can see the name is here. Okay, so this is what we are going to do right now. I'm going to open my phone and I will share my screen here, so you just get ready for that. So I'm going to share my screen so that we can okay, so I'm going to share my screen here. So I hope you can see my screen right now, and I'm going to enter the username as attendance. Okay, so attendance, and then the password. Okay, so I've added a password, and I will click login. And as you can see, it's successful. Let me click save here. Now we are going to do some basic settings. Basic settings here. First, this is something that you need to do first. It's very, very important. When you come down here, let's go down. We have late time configuration. So you have to set the late time. Okay, so let's say school, what time do you will you do you think it will be a cut-off point for late? Let's say as a student, you're supposed to reach school before around 7 o'clock. So let's say after 7 a.m. Any student who will come after 7 a.m. is late. Okay, I think that is good, but based on your, how you want to do your, you can just go do it according to how you want it. Okay, yes, but I want to make it 7. So I will come back here and click save the cut off. So that one is successful. Now let's go down here. So when you up here, sorry, so I've already done some scanning, and you can see active student, we have 3 students on this platform is 3 students. That's what it means. Today present is 0. That is student late today is 0. Student not yet scan is 3. Active teacher 1. And today present teacher present today is 0. Okay, yes, and when we go down here, you will see that we don't have any information. So here we can see that we have a scan here. Okay, good. This is what I'm going to do. First, let me go to yes, let's come back here. I want to locate that is ID card management. Okay, so I'm going to open here, that is ID card management, and I'm going to open one ID. Let me select basic 8, because that's where, so I will just open basic 8 students. Let's see, I just want to scan this ID, and that, let's see, the name is Christopher. So let's wait for the ID to load. Okay, so now you can see that I've added my picture here, and I will show you how to go about it. Okay, so right now I'm going to scan this QR code here. So I will open my camera, scan, and I will get this alert, and I will click allow, and I can now point it to the screen. Okay, I think it is done. So let's see, let me go down here. Okay, okay, let me just get closer, because I'm scanning it on a screen, so sometimes it's kind of difficult. Okay, so let me do it in this way. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me close that. Let me click here. Okay, I think I'm yes, continue with yes, because I'm having network issue right now. So students, okay, so I'm here to, let's try it once again. So right now, this is what I'm going to do. I want to download it, okay, so that maybe it will appear. Okay, so now as you can see, let me click that. It's now big here. So I'm going to scan it again, open the camera. Yes, let's see. Because I'm not holding the card. Okay, now it's successful. You see, I was able to get some good. As you can see, now I think it's done. So I have to leave here. Okay, so it's repeating it. It's keep on giving the, so I have to leave here. So student present today is 1. Student late today is 1. Why late? Because according to our time, the student is supposed to reach school around 7, exactly 7 o'clock a.m. But the time that I'm doing this is 5 p.m. So that's why it has been recorded as late. Let's go down and see. So we can see that today's scan history. We can see Okay, student with admission number 201. Okay, and the name, let's see, the student name is Christopher, and the time that we scanned is 10:05. Okay, yes, and we can see the details here. Okay, so I will check this later. So as you can see, everything is looking perfect. Okay, good. Now let's go back to our dashboard here. Now I was able to scan using the card. The next, I'm not going to use the card, I'm going to use the student ID. So let's look at the other students. So ADM 200, and we have ADM 202. I'm going to use the manual way in case the students do not have the ID with him. You can use that. Okay, good. So this is what I'm going to do. I will log out. Let's finish with that. So I will close this and come back here. Now I'm going to do manual scan. I'm going to scan Juliet Boateng, and that is, I will go straight to down. So here, enter student admission number. So I can enter the A. Let me make it ADM 200. So 200, and click mark present. Now good. So we are done with that. Let me go down and check if so student present today is 2, late today is 2 because of the time, and we can see that Juliet Boateng attendance has been marked. Let's check the other student. Okay, for now I'm doing it for only 2 students. So let's say the other student did not come to school. Once the other student's attendance is not marked, then automatically it means that they were late. Okay, and we even have a portion where you can mark the remaining students as absent. So you see down here we have mark the remaining students absent. So you click that, then it means that you are trying to say that the rest of the students were absent. Okay, good. So let's see. Okay, so late today, we don't have absence here. Okay, good. So let's check. Let's go down and see. Okay, so I can see that the data here is not working. So I will work on that and update the platform. So right now, I'm done with the screen. I'm going to leave close the phone screen, and we will continue on the desktop here. Let me close that. Okay, so let us continue from here. Now I'm going to log out. Okay, and after that I'm going to log in as HR, and we are going to check if we were able to record some figures here. So let's see fees management. Okay, here we are, our focus is canteen. So canteen. So let's check how many total today's revenue is $20, because according to we are charging each student $10. Okay, and the number of students that came to school today is 2. So as you can see, and so we can see the records here. Today's date is 19th August, and only 2 students, and that is 20. So we can even see all the records of the previous one here. Okay, and that is perfect. Now let's go down to transport. Let's see. So transport, so far so good. Today's extra, okay, this extra classes. Let's see transport. So transport today, okay, so today is 2, and then today's earning is 24. Okay, yes, and let's see can also new students. Maybe, yeah, this guy was absent today, so you can see that there's no records. Okay, good, and yeah, that is perfect. Now we are done with the transport. Let's go to extra classes, and according to statistics or the data, The extra classes, we are charging 5 cities, right? And only two people came to school, so we have $10. And so we have average per student is $5, okay? And that is cool. And we can see the records of the previous and today's records here. So far so good. I think you love this, right? Wow. Okay, so that is all. Thank you for watching. Our next video we will continue. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching.